Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming Python 3. X is installed and on your path. This lets the terminal run Python directly. Once done, open Visual Studio Code and install the official Python extension. Make sure to reload. Next, create or open your project folder in VS Code so the editor scopes settings and virtual environments to that workspace. This gets you into an editable project immediately and prepares integrated tools like the terminal, debugger, and linter for the next steps. Now you focus on reproducible packages. In the integrated terminal, run Python mvenv. Venv and activate that environment for your shell. This isolates dependencies. Then use the command palette to select the new interpreter so code intelligence and debugging use the right Python. After that, pip install necessary libraries inside the terminal. Make sure requirements. TXT is maintained. This setup ensures linting, autocomplete, and tests point to the same interpreter, preventing You finish by running and debugging your code. Press Run or Run Python file. Py in the terminal to confirm behavior. For deeper inspection, set breakpoints and use the debug pane. Step in, step over, and watch variables to understand flow. Make sure to save launch. JSON if customizing sessions. If things go wrong, first verify the selected interpreter and that your virtual env is activated. Mismatched interpreters or path issues cause most problems, so reselect interpreter and reopen the terminal before more invasive changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.